on my knee. Yet I'm gonna lose again. Look, he knows how to play the guitar. You play the guitar. Come on, give me a five. Thank you. Do you want to play? Want to give it a shot?
Mark, you play now?
Yay! Hey, she knows how to play the guitar. Very good. Give me five. Hey, okay. Come on, let's play. Oh, my hair. Well, I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. And I'm going to Istanbul, my own full of fun. Ben İstanbul'da bir tane adam sevdim. Onun için geldim. Okay? I come from Alabama. Well, this is a song written for me by my... Oh, there's a little handsome gentleman here. Hello, what's your name? I'm Susanna. What's my name? Susanna. Oh, she's such a lovely lady. You say very nice. Thank you very much. Okay, let's sing it all together then. Clap your hands. I want to see your hands. Well, I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. Oh, no, this is the wrong accord. This is the only song I can play, you know? I don't know how to play the guitar. Check Terma, please. All right. All right, I sing it for you, pretty lady in pink there with the nice hair. Hey, it's Pasvermior said, okay. She's laughing. Good. I love laughing beauty ladies. All right. Well, I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. And I'm gonna lose. Come on, where's your hands? Hadi çocuklar. El çırp istiyor ben.
Clap your hands.
Aa, ben hava giremiyor böyle. Okay? Come on. Clap your hands. İstersen dans et böyle. Well, I come from Alabama. Kim ne istiyor yapabilir? Stand up, okay? Dance. Kim dance seviyor? Ha? Tamam Deniz, come on. All right, Kim Deniz'le dans etmek istiyor. All right, come on. Stand up. Good. Dance. Look at the beautiful city and the weather. It's sunny. Çok güzel şehir. Okul ve dans et. Hadi bakalım. Well, I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. Yet I'm gonna lose. Yet I'm my own full of fantasy. Hello, lady. And all night today I left it 'cause the weather it was right. Sun so hot I froze myself.